Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming. Today we're making turkey chili. So we have a package of turkey, ground turkey from Target. Another Target item is this petite diced tomatoes. This is 28 ounces. Then I have red kidney beans, some black beans, which we will drain, and I have my crock pot on, and we're gonna put it on high, just like that. Got a wooden spoon. We're gonna dump in this turkey. And then we'll get the seasonings. So to accommodate your family, you can grab the amount of turkey that you feel is necessary, but I'm gonna chop this up. Cumin, chili powder for sure, paprika, and some ground black pepper, and dice up a small onion. If you like chili, what do you like to put in your chili or on top of it? So season to taste, but I do like to add a lot of pepper. And this is our cumin. So 3 shakes. Paprika. Oh no, chili powder, sorry. So, and our smoked paprika. And we're gonna rinse our beans and dump it in there. Okay, so here's the black beans, nice and rinsed. It's okay to leave some of the fluid in there because it acts like a natural thickener. And then we have kidney beans. You can add the beans of your choice. White cannellini would be really nice. Small red beans, any beans. And then I have my tomatoes. That is going to be our sauce. And you can salt and pepper to taste. I'm just gonna mix everything together. And sometimes I like to add a little chicken broth or vegetable broth, but this might be enough liquid. So we'll come back and show you the final result.